Today we're going to show you how we install and wet out a junction patch. This is a T-Junction we're installing on a stormwater line. We've relined the main line down to the street and we cut out this particular junction with a robotic cutter, and now we're installing a junction patch to ensure no tree roots can penetrate the line, and it ensures a proper seal for the whole system. Once we've wet out the liner, we then invert it to within itself, as seen here in the video. This is so that we can slide it down the line, get it into position, and then invert the T-junction, or Y-junction, in this case it's a T-junction, up the branch line. We're now putting the packer on vacuum, so it holds the packer, or the patch and the packer together, so that we can slide it up the pipeline. We put painter's tape on there to hold the packer and patch together, and the patch in place on the packer. We put one at the front, one at the back, and we snip the back edge just to help the whole thing, when we inflate it, it helps the tape break. Now we slide the patch and packer down the line using nylon push rods with our air hose connected to it. Using a T-bar, well, in this case Daniel decided not to use a T-bar, but because it wasn't such a long run. But we slide the junction packer down to the branch line, which you can see we've got the camera inserted down the branch line so we can see what we're doing. Line the junction patch up using the camera up there, as you can see, and once we're happy with where it's positioned, we inflate the packer and invert it up the branch line.
Can you come around here? Oh. Alright, you right there? You see? Yep. Okay, you're going to roll it a bit, mate?
If you look at the black lines on there, they are lining up centre.
Alright, I'm just going to nub you, mate.
Now you can see we're just starting the inflation process. So just gently inflate, make sure it's in the correct position. If not, deflate and adjust. But in this case it's rolling out quite nicely and we're happy with where it's positioned. This will now complete the relining process, form a tree root proof seal on that junction cut.
That's it. Okay.
And ensure no problems in the future. Now we put on the steam, run the steam at around about 80 to 90 degrees, cook for 45 minutes and the job is finished.